When you are studying accounting, one of the most important thing you need to remember in accounting is the double entry bookkeeping system. So everyone who start accounting, they kind of confuse this with the most initial thing you need to know when it comes to study accounting, and especially there are two type of accounts. One type is called financial accounting and the other type is called management and costing accounting. We'll forget about the management and costing thing. When you learn about financial accounting, the most initial concept you need to understand is double entry bookkeeping. What that simply means? When any financial transaction occurred in a business, it recorded in two separate places. One is called debit, the other one is called credit. What that means? When transaction happen, it record in the debit side of a ledger account, and at the same time that same thing recorded in the credit side of another account. That is the most simple thing you need to understand. And the second thing you need to understand is whether that thing become debit or credit is based on what exactly that transaction is related to. That means that transaction is related to which accounting elements. So there are basically 6 type of accounting elements are there: asset, capital, liability, income, expenses and drawing. Out of these 6 only you determine whether something become debit or credit. If any transaction is related to either assets, expenses or drawing, it become debit, and any transaction is related to capital, that mean equity, either income or liabilities, it recorded in the credit side. That is the most simple basic accounting thing you need to remember. That's called double entry bookkeeping system. That's really important.